Maggi noodles are loved by all. They are quick and easy to make. Maggi is perfect for any occasion. It can be a snack or a meal. Let's make a spicy garlic version. This recipe is simple and tasty. It will satisfy your cravings. Get ready for a flavorful journey. To make spicy garlic Maggi, you need a few ingredients. Start with 1 pack of Maggi noodles. You will need 2 tablespoons of oil. For the spice, use 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add 1 green chili, finely chopped. You will need salt to taste. Finally, chop some fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Heat the oil in a pan. Add chopped garlic and green chili. Fry till they turn golden brown. Add chili powder. Fry for a few seconds. Add 2 cups of water. Let it boil. Add the Maggi noodles and the tastemaker. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir occasionally. Your spicy garlic Maggi is ready. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot and enjoy the spicy kick. This quick recipe is perfect for any time. You can add vegetables for extra flavor. Try adding chopped onions. Try adding peas. For a cheesy twist, sprinkle some grated cheese on top. Enjoy!